In this video, I'll show you how to create a banner for LinkedIn. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open Canva, then you're going to click right here at the top where you see the search bar, and you're going to type in banner for LinkedIn. As you can see, Canva is going to show us more than 10,000 templates that we can use. So just go ahead and scroll down until you find something that you like. Once you have your template, just start adding your information. So right here, I'm going to add my first and last. Most templates are going to have a dedicated space where you can add the field or the industry where you're trying to work in. So I'm going to go ahead and type in digital marketing. And then you can also add stuff like your phone number, your email. But if you want to keep that private, then you can go ahead and delete that. I think it's important to have an email. So I'm just going to go ahead and add mine. And I'm going to make this a little bit smaller and move it to the right. You can also click on your name and then on fonts, and you can add a different font just in case you want to play around with that. And to change the background of your banner, all you have to do is click on it and then you can delete it. Then we're going to go ahead and go to elements, and then you can search for something that you want as your background. So let's say I am working in marketing. Let's see what comes up. I really like this picture, so I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on my mouse and I'm going to put set image as a background. Let's see this one. Okay, I really like this one. So I'm going to set image as a background. And now it's all about making this template your own. You can add different colors, different fonts until you have the final product that you like. And once your banner is ready, all you have to do is share it and upload it to your LinkedIn. Hope that helps.